Let's take a look at this Artline Jumbo Wax Crayon set. It comes with a Jigsaw Puzzle, something like this that you can actually paint and later play with. This also comes with 4 fluorescent wax crayons. It's a non-flaky crayon and it's washable. This costs around 100 rupees or around $2 for this set. This is manufactured in India. So let's open and see what we get. These are the crayons. I think these 4 are the fluorescent ones. This is the puzzle set you get. It's made out of cardboard and you can paint on it. I really wish they printed on the back too. That way you could have gotten 2 puzzles with the same paper. Interesting idea and quite a nice set. This is how it looks using it. Quite nice. Check it out.